Severe thunderstorm warning. Two severe thunderstorm warnings.
Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Columbia and central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County and south central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County and south central Pennsylvania, central Juniata County and central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County and south central Pennsylvania, Perry County and south central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County and central Pennsylvania, Snyder County and central Pennsylvania, eastern Union County and central Pennsylvania, north central York County and south central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County and central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Spruce Run Reservoir to Ridgefield to Honey Grove, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Winfield and Sellings Grove, Sunbury and Driesler, Stonington and Riverside, Urban and Trevorton, Catahoula and Nobles, New Media and Mainville. Other locations in the warning include Harrisburg International Airport, Hershey Park, Nobles, City Island, Bucknell, Penn State College of Medicine, Penn State Harrisburg and Penn State Schuylkill. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 236 and 264, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 80 between mile markers 203 and 230, Interstate 81 between mile markers 52 and 137, Interstate 83 between mile markers 34 and 50, Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 2, Interstate 283. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage in Clearfield and Center counties. Do not stay outdoors. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College through Twitter or Facebook. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 o'clock a.m. Thursday morning for central Pennsylvania. The National...
Hold on.